Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 825 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out some more Folly Fire products, and these are the face pigments. I have the pressed matte face pigment and the pressed metallic face pigment. And you may have seen a while ago that I received these products in PR from the brand Folly Fire, and I have been so impressed with the products I've tried out from Folly Fire so far. I love that they are cruelty-free, fragrance-free, gluten-free. They are made in Italy, and the packaging is just so cute. They're all so, I feel like, expressive and creative types of products. Look at how pretty this is. This is the matte pigment. It's a bright red. So let me go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's like an orange red. Yeah, now that I have it swatched, it looks a little bit more orange, but so pretty. Great pigment, just like I would expect since it's a face pigment. And then this metallic one is so pretty. So the matte one, the matte version is in the shade Drinks on Me. And the metallic version is in the shade called Lollipop. Oh, so pretty, like a magenta shimmer. Give this one a swatch. Oh my gosh. Wow, now that metallic shade swatched so beautifully. The metallic definitely swatched with more pigment and more of like a creamier feel than the matte. So here are what those swatches look like. And since it's a face pigment, they can be used pretty much anywhere as blushes, as eyeshadows. So I'm gonna try them both out in both ways. So I'm gonna pick up a blush brush and I'll start with the matte version. Oh yeah, lots of pigment. It's a little bit difficult to blend out. Kind of surprised by that. I mean, it blends, you just have to work at it quite a bit. And once it blends out, it is definitely red, like flushed cheeks, a little bit sunburned looking, but much more toned down than how it looks in the pan here. It might be a little too intense for me. Just clean off my brush and my brush cleaner. And I'll try out the metallic version on my cheek as well. Yeah, you see how it just kind of sticks down right away? It makes it kind of hard to blend. They are so different, but neither of them look that great on my cheek, unfortunately. They're looking very splotchy, hard to blend out. I think this is such a pretty color. I don't know. It's interesting looking at both shades, which one suits me more. Kind of neither of them look that flattering on me, but maybe they're better as eyeshadows. So I'm actually going to take the matte shade with a fluffy crease brush and see how this works, blending it out on the eye. Yeah, I feel like it blends out better on my eye here. And it almost looks like a completely different color on my eye than it looks on my cheek. It looks more orange applied in this method on my eye. I don't know how I feel about this matte red shade as an eyeshadow on me, if it looks pretty or if it looks like an irritated eye, because I just have so much natural redness in my skin and on my eyelids anyways. that I get nervous wearing reds and pinks on my eyelid because I just don't want it to look like a rash. But I guess if you apply correctly, use the right complementing shades with it, it can look really good. But right now, I don't know, we're kind of looking a little bit irritated. I just think all around this red shade is a tough color for my skin tone. But let's try this magenta shade. And since it's a metallic, I'm applying it with my finger. Oh, now that is beautiful. It applies so easily with my finger. You get that full color, which is such a gorgeous color, and a beautiful metallic finish. Yeah, so this one I definitely love on the eyelid. It's such a pretty shade of pink. It's like a cool toned pink, so it doesn't necessarily go great with this red in the crease. I feel like this mixed in with some purples and blues would be so beautiful. This got messy. I was really just playing around because, oh my gosh, my makeup right now is looking like clown makeup. Oh my gosh. But what I was saying is, I think these face pigments are best on the eyes. The cheeks as blushes just too splotchy and the shades aren't the right color for me, but I love this pink metallic on the eyes. Yeah, today's video was definitely just playing around. This look that I have on right now is hilarious, but if I'm just, judging the quality of the products and the colors, I can really love this pink eyeshadow. Like, it's my favorite shade of pink. It has such good pigment, a beautiful metallic shiny finish. It's not creasing, applies really easily with my finger, so I'm excited about that. I definitely want to do some really fun, colorful pink eyeshadow looks. I'm sure that I won't be reaching for this red shade very often, but I don't have many eyeshadows or pigments in my collection in this shade, so it might come in handy for some makeup looks that I decide to do. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas of how I could use these products, what shades I could mix them with. I feel like I always get the best tips and advice in the comments from you all when I have products that I'm just not totally sure what use I'm going to use them for. So I would love to get your feedback. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.